Only China ever drove Rover on the moon's far side. Even NASA couldn't, because no signal there. In trouble. Nobody on Earth can help. China went anyway. Stayed to the rabbit's feed shocked scientists worldwide. The moon's far side isn't anything like we pictured before. December 15, 2013. 136 kg six-wheeled rover left Chang'e 3, called Yutu, China's first lunar rover. A rover last drove the moon 37 years ago. Yutu, 3-month design, 42 days, no lunar atmosphere. Daytime sun hits 120 degrees Celsius. Nights drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Worst. A lunar day equals 28 Earth days. 14 scorching, 14 freezing. Yutu would fold solar panels as blanket. Endure. Mechanism jammed. Wouldn't retract. Electronics left bare in sub-zero. Everyone assumed it was done. 14 days. Yutu woke. Wheels dead. Brain. 4 instruments. He limped on. Stopping in July 2016. Built for 3 months. It ran 972 days. Tenfold. Lunar dust caused. Moon dust differs from Earth's. Earth's sand is wind water worn for eons. Grains rounded. Moon has no air or water. Meteor impacts make sharp dust. Invisible. It slips into cracks. Worse. Charged lunar dust clings to machines. Yutu's kicked up dust likely jammed its joints too. Lesson saved his brother January 3, 2019. Yutu 2 landed fast. No humans been here. So why no one dares? First, why does the moon always face its tidal locking? Earth's gravity tugs the moon non-stop, like a hula hoop's dot facing your belly. The moon's spin equals its orbit, 27.3 days. One face always toward us. Far side always faces away. Invisible, out of sight means a lander's radio is blocked by the moon, cutting all contact with Earth. Put a rover on the moon's far side. It's deaf-mute. No Earth commands. No data home. 1967. Americans proposed a fix. Put a relay satellite behind the moon to link Earth, and too complex. Apollo 17 considered it. Quit over risk. Afterward, untouched, half-century, China did it. In 2018, Kuiqiao launched. Park 65,000 kilometers. This spot is Earth-Moon Lagrange point L2, meaning Earth and Moon tug this satellite. At L2, their gravity balances. Satellites stay put long on little fuel, 2 kilos yearly. L2 lies behind the moon and still gets blocked. So Kuiqiao circles it instead on a halo orbit. It sees Earth and Moon's far side, serving as relay. Kuiqiao as a 4.2-meter dish, then humanity's largest ever deep space communications signal relays far side moon to Kuiqiao, then Earth, nearly 400,000 kilometers, one way. With Kuiqiao, Yutu 2 landed. It came down in Von Common crater, in the South Pole, Moon's biggest, deepest, oldest crater, 2,500 km wide, nearly 13 km deep, made by a scientists think the crash pierced Moon's crust, exposing mantle. Studying here is a moon CT, showing its interior. Another mystery. The moon's far side crust is 6 kilometers thicker than near side. Flat Maria, far side. Cratered Highland, same moon. Two faces differ. No one knows why. Designed 3 months. Lasted 6 years. Engineers revamped cables. Upgraded materials. Unsealed joints against dust. They set, sensing, moving, probing, charging, safety, day/night, switching, sleep, plan always, never fight on ready, set 2024. Rabbit covered 1,613 meters on moon's backside, enduring 71 cycles, topping Soviets. Lunar Yutu 2, longest working rover. 6 years on. What did it find? First, moon's far side soil differs great. Yutu 2 found surface olivine, normally buried tens of kilometers deep. How did it reach the surface? Huge impact exposed the moon's insides. Yutu 2's radar scanned underground, finding layers beneath the site, showing repeated eruptions, impacts, complex geology. In 2021, Yutu 2's Month 36 shot showed a distant square. Netizens dubbed it a mystery hut. Alien bait. He crawled months, then found a strangely shaped rock. No aliens. Yet China remotely drives a rover on moon's far side to study rock. Not over. May 3rd, 2024, Chang'e 6 launched to do the unprecedented. Return soil from moon. What's hard here? First, far side landing is tough. Using Quakiao 2, next quickly sample the moon. Scoop soil. Drill cores. Then, hardest, ascender lifts off the moon. Ignites without a launch pad. Docks with orbiter in orbit. And hands over samples. Moon's far side. Pre-programmed steps run. No live help. Automatic. After 53 days. 6/25/207 p.m. Chang'e 6 hit Inner Mongolia. Returning, scientists studying samples found a clue. 2.8 billion years ago, the moon's far side erupted, meaning its core lasted longer. Papers ran in Nature and Science. Lead scientist, first to date far side lunar samples. Truly, looking back, why could China do it? Because step by step, Chang'e 1 orbited, -2 mapped, -3 landed, Yutu failed, Quakiao linked, -4 historic, -6 sample returned. Each step built the next 20 years. Bigger work ahead yet. 2026, Chang'e 7 goes to moon's south pole for water. Ice gives base water, oxygen, fuel. 2028, Chang'e 8 and -7 build station framework. By 2030, Chinese step on moon. From Yutu's Good Night to Yutu 2's mooncake sketch to Chang'e 6 returning far side soil. Once forbidden, Chinese footprint.